Hello, what's up guys, how are you all? And I Kunal welcome you in the Coding K channel. So guys, today before starting the video, I would like to tell you that I am unable to decide that in which language I should make videos, in Hindi or in English. So guys, what you can do is that in the description I will leave you the link of both the Discord servers. So guys, you can join me there and then you can tell me that in which language I should make videos. And guys, also you can comment me down below that in which language I should make videos, in Hindi or in English. So guys, today we are going to make an app in just 5 minutes and using only block code. So guys, let's start. Okay guys, so now I am on my computer and now we will see how to make that Talking Tom app. So first of all, you need to open any browser, then you need to type MIT App Inventor. Okay guys, so now when you will click on this, then these search results will appear. So you need to click on this MIT App Inventor. So when you will click on this, this window will appear. So what you need to do is that you need to click here, create apps. So when you will click on that create apps, so a new window will appear and there you will be asked to log in with your Gmail account. Nothing you have to do, only you have to type your Gmail account, or there will be always option. So you can click on this. So then you can select your Gmail account, then you can log in. So then I was working on a project, so let's click on this. So guys, when you will log in on your MIT App Inventor, so you will see nothing here if you are not working with it. So there will be blank. I was working something. So guys, first of all we need to click here, start new project. Then let's name this project Talking Tom and then click OK. So guys, when you will click OK, then a new project will be open. So we need to click on this. Then when we will click on this tab, so this window will appear. So now we will start working on our project. So first of all we need to design its interface. So what we have to do is that we have to add a button here, but first we will add a file, means a background file, so that our app will look nice. So I will choose a file, click here upload file, then you will choose a file. So you can choose any file. I am selecting the logo of this channel, so this is the logo. So let's click on open and then click on OK. So it will be uploading that file and then it is coming. So now what we need to do is that we need to click on this image and then we have to drag it here. So when you will drag it, then you will see this. So what you need to do is that you need to click here. We have to click here on picture. Okay guys, so now you will click on this picture. So now you will see that second channel logo. I was uploading that. So yeah, now you need to click on this, then you need to click on OK. So it will upload this image. Now what we need to do is that we need to take this scale picture to fit, then our picture will be scaled and then it will be looking like our picture. So what we need to do, click here fill parent, then here also fill parent. So now you can see our screen, our picture is on our screen. Now what we need to add a button. So let's add a button here. So as you can see here button, now it's not in center, so we will click on this screen one, then we will click on this align horizontal center. So as you can see now it is on the center. Now we click on this, then our button setting will open. Now we need to click on this and then rename our button text. So let's write talk to me. Okay guys, so now we will click on it. So it is saying talk to me. Now what we have to add a text to speech. So we will click on this layout button, then we will click on this media. So as you can see here, text to speech is coming. So we will drag this here. So now as you can see that our text to speech is here. Now what we need to do is that we need to add an extension here. So I will provide the link of this extension in the description, so you can select this. So what we need to do is that you need to click on this link, then it will open. So here it is. So you need to download this. I have already downloaded. So now when you will download it, then you will need to click on this extension, then you will need to click on import extension. So now choose file, then you have downloaded that file, so you will find it in downloads. Then this is SC speech recognizer, so you will open it. then import. Okay guys, so now it will be importing, then after some time it will import. Okay guys, so now it is import. Now what we need to do is that we need to click here and then we need to drag it. Okay guys, so now it's dragged. Now we will click on this text to speech and then we will click on this pitch. So guys, now we will change this pitch. So if you will write here 2 or you can write here 3, voice or our talking tom will be like a woman. So we want this. So now everything is done. Now we will go to the block section, means we will need do some coding. So what we need to do is that we need to click here button. Then when we will click this button here, then we will need to click this when button dot click. So when button dot click means when the button will be clicked, then what we need to do is that we need to call this SC speech recognizer. So when we click on this, then we will click on this call SC speech recognizer 1 dot get text. So we will drop this and then select here. So now it's selected. So guys, now after putting this call SC speech recognizer 1 dot get text, now what we need to do is that we need to click again here. Then what we need to do is that we need to click here when SC speech recognizer 1 dot after getting text, when it will get text, then what we need to do is that we need to call text to speech, and then we will call this for text to speech, and what it will speak is will speak the get result. So guys, so now everything is done. Now we will see that if it is working or not. So for this, what we will need to do is that we need to click on this connect, then we will click on this AI companion. So when you will click on this, then you need to download an app in your mobile. AI companion means in your mobile you need to download an app from Play Store which is known as MIT AI companion. So you will download it, then you will scan this QR code, then you can test your app on your mobile phone. So I'm going on my mobile phone and now we will test our app. Okay guys, so now I'm on my mobile, and now what we need to do is that we need to open this MIT AI companion. Now we will click on this scan QR code. So when we will click on this scan QR code, so we will need it to scan that QR code, which click on this scan QR code. So this is opening. Now we will scan this. So now it's scanned. Now the app which we created will be opened on our screen guys. So now it's done. So now you can see that it's doing. So I will talk to it. How are you?
How are you?
Okay guys, so now it was also speaking. So now let's try. What is your name? What is your name?
What is your name?
Okay guys, so now it's working. So this was the app which I wanted to tell you. So guys, if you like this video, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get all our notification at first. So guys, I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.